Welcome back, traders. I'm glad to have you here today. The Gaussian filter indicator is a technical trading tool with standard deviation filtering that works for orders, poles, higher than the standard 4 poles originally available in Eller's Gaussian filter formulas. Due to this reason, it is a sort of generalized Gaussian filter that can calculate arbitrary order pole Gaussian filter and which makes it sort of a unique indicator. To apply this technical indicator on the trading chart, search the keywords the Gaussian filter indicator on the indicator search box. As we can see, there are a series of Gaussian filter indicators versions under the community scripts on TradingView. Proceed further to select the STD filtered N-pole Gaussian filter LOX EP version by LOX. Before I proceed further to show you how to apply this technical trading indicator to execute buy and sell trade setups in the market, I need to explain some of the parameter settings for this trading indicator. Left-click on the indicator and select the Settings option to see its parameter details. Under the Input settings, there's the Heikin-Ashi Better Smoothing. By default, Kaufman is selected. This helps to smooth out noises on the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks presented on the price chart. There's the Source. By default, it's set to Close. Choosing Close will make the Gaussian filter indicator green and red lines stay closer to the range of the close of the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. There are other available options, such as staying to the open, high, low, median, or other preferred ranges of the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks in the market. Under the basic settings, there's the period and order. By default, the period is set to 25, and order is set to 5 poles, which is 1 pole greater than the normal maximum of 4 poles. Under the filter settings, there are the filter options: filter deviations, filter period. Traders can adjust this number and the filter selections, price, both, Gaussian filters, none, to reduce the signal noise. The purpose of the standard deviation filter is to filter out the noise, and by default, it will filter 1 standard deviation. Under the UI options, traders can modify the color of bars by checking or unchecking. Checking the Show Signals will make the long and short signal symbol appear on the price chart, and unchecking this option will hide the signal. It is recommended to leave the color bars and Show Signals box checked. Next are the moving average inputs. Under the Style settings, traders can modify the color settings of the indicator parameters. It's recommended to leave the default enabled functionalities here. It's time I show you how to use the Gaussian filter indicator for trade opportunities in the market. Take note, before ever planning to apply the Gaussian filter indicator in the market, make sure to master its application for the continuation of trends before switching to the reversal trading strategy as a beginner. How can traders use the Gaussian filter indicator in the market? To apply this trading indicator for bullish anticipation, look out for a strong bullish trend. After the price made a bearish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator green line in this bullish trend, we can see how the Gaussian filter indicator green line acted as dynamic support for the price in this uptrend. And the bullish trend resumed its previous uptrend rally. Stop loss can be placed below the low of the bullish rejection from the Gaussian filter indicator green line. Traders can close their buy position whenever the price makes a bearish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator green line in the uptrend. Alternatively, a swing trader can trail their trade upward at each bullish rejection from the Gaussian filter indicator green line in the uptrend. To apply this trading indicator for bearish anticipation, look out for a strong bearish trend. After the price made a bullish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator red line in this bearish trend, we can see how the Gaussian filter indicator red line acted as dynamic resistance for the price in this downtrend, and the bearish trend resumed its previous downtrend rally. Stop loss can be placed above the high of the bearish rejection from the Gaussian filter indicator red line. Traders can close their sell position whenever the price makes a bullish pullback to the Gaussian filter indicator red line in the downtrend. Alternatively, a swing trader can trail their trade downward at each bearish rejection from the Gaussian filter indicator red line in the downtrend. To detect the reversal of a bearish trend into an uptrend with the Gaussian filter indicator, Step 1. Traders need to watch out for the red bearish candlestick to close above the Gaussian filter indicator red line. Step 2. Watch out for the yellow triangle long signal to pop up under the price. Step 3. Aggressive traders could buy the first closed green bullish candlestick, while conservative traders could wait for a retest of validation so that the new Gaussian filter indicator green line can act as new support for the price before buying. To detect the reversal of a bullish trend into a downtrend with the Gaussian filter indicator, Step 1. Traders need to watch out for the green bullish candlestick to close below the Gaussian filter green line. Step 2. Watch out for the pink triangle short signal to pop up above the price. Step 3. Aggressive traders could sell the first closed red bearish candlestick, while conservative traders could wait for a retest of validation so that the new Gaussian filter indicator red line can act as a new resistance for the price before selling.